me, Alexander, and today we're gonna make a Barbie crash car. Barbie car crash. Let's go, Evie. 3, 2, 1. Fail. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Rad puppy.
3,
Out.
2, 1. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Guys, look what happened.
Me.
Okay, let's do this again.
Okay. I'm not ready yet.
Ow.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh!
Wait, Evie, stop. I'm gonna put the camera inside the car. Driver's seat. Oh, come on, there's a puppy in there. Driver's seat view, people. See what happens. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that scared me, dude. Dude, that scared me.
No. Wait, I'm gonna need to put it in yours.
By the way, I am his sister.
We know.
Okay.